Good morning, everyone. I hope you all are doing well and may have revised the previously learned topics. So now, our today's topic is factors affecting seasons. Seasons result from the Earth's movements and its position relative to the Sunday. The following factors influence the occurrence and characteristics of seasons. 1. Earth's tilt. The Earth is tilted at an angle of 23.5 degrees on its axis. This tilt causes different parts of the Earth to receive varying amounts of sunlight throughout the year. Example, the northern hemisphere tilts towards the sun in summer and away in winter. 2. Earth's revolution. The Earth revolves around the sun in an elliptical orbit, completing one revolution in 365.25 days. This revolution, combined with the tilt, leads to changes in the sun's apparent position in the sky, causing seasons. 3. Variation in day and night length. Due to the tilt and revolution, the length of daylight varies across the year. Longer days in summer and shorter days in winter impact temperature and weather patterns. 4. Equinoxes and solstices. Equinoxes, 21st March and 23rd September equal day and night lengths, marking the transition between summer and winter. Solstices, 21st June and 22nd December longest and shortest days of the year, marking summer and winter, respectively. 5. Latitudinal position. Regions near the equator experience minimal seasonal variation due to consistent sunlight. Polar regions face extreme seasons, including 6 months of daylight and 6 months of darkness. 6. Atmospheric conditions. Cloud cover, wind patterns, and ocean currents also influence local climatic conditions, modifying seasonal effects. 7. Earth's axial precession. The slow wobble of Earth's axis, called precession, affects long-term climatic changes over thousands of years. By understanding these factors, we can explain the diversity in seasonal patterns and their significance for ecosystems and human activity. Natural realms of the Earth. The natural realms of the Earth are broad divisions that represent the physical and biological aspects of our planet. These realms are interconnected systems that govern life and natural processes. The 4 primary realms are 1. Lithosphere, land realm, refers to the Earth's solid outer layer, including continents, islands, and ocean floors. Composed of rocks, minerals, and soils that support terrestrial ecosystems. Includes landforms such as mountains, plains, plateaus, and valleys. Key processes: plate tectonics, weathering, erosion, and soil formation. Resources: minerals, fossil fuels, and fertile soil for agriculture. 2. Hydrosphere, water realm, encompasses all water bodies, including oceans, seas, rivers, lakes, glaciers, and groundwater. Covers about 71% of Earth's surface, with oceans holding 97% of the Earth's water. Plays a crucial role in regulating the climate through the water cycle. Supports marine and freshwater ecosystems and influences weather patterns. 3. Atmosphere, air realm, the layer of gases surrounding the Earth, essential for life. Composed mainly of nitrogen, 78%, oxygen, 21%, and trace gases, 1%. Divided into layers: troposphere, stratosphere, mesosphere, thermosphere, and exosphere. Functions: regulates temperature, protects from harmful solar radiation, and facilitates weather and climate systems. 4. Biosphere, life realm, represents all living organisms on Earth and their interactions with other realms. Includes diverse ecosystems like forests, grasslands, deserts, and aquatic systems. Relies on energy flow and nutrient cycling to sustain life. Interconnected with the lithosphere, hydrosphere, and atmosphere for food, shelter, and resources. Natural realms of the Earth and their etymology. The natural realms of the Earth represent distinct physical and biological aspects of the planet. Their names are derived from Greek or Latin origins, reflecting their essential characteristics. 1. Lithosphere, land realm. Name origin, derived from the Greek words lithos, stone, and sphera, sphere, meaning sphere of rocks. Description refers to the Earth's solid outer layer, including continents, islands, and ocean floors. Includes landforms like mountains, plains, and plateaus. Key processes: plate tectonics, weathering, erosion, and soil formation. Resources: minerals, fossil fuels, and soil essential for agriculture. 2. Hydrosphere, water realm. Name origin, derived from the Greek words hydra, water, and sphera, sphere, meaning sphere of water. Description comprises all water bodies, such as oceans, seas, rivers, lakes, glaciers, and groundwater. Covers about 71% of Earth's surface, with oceans containing 97% of the Earth's water. Role: regulates climate through the water cycle and supports marine and freshwater ecosystems. 3. Atmosphere, air realm. Name origin, derived from the Greek words atmos, vapor, and sphera, sphere, meaning sphere of air. Description: the layer of gases surrounding the Earth, essential for life. Composed mainly of nitrogen, 78%, oxygen, 21%, and trace gases. Divided into layers: troposphere, stratosphere, mesosphere, thermosphere, and exosphere. Functions: regulates temperature, facilitates weather systems, and protects from harmful solar radiation. 4. Biosphere, life realm. Name origin, derived from the Greek words bios, life, and sphera, sphere, meaning sphere of life. Description includes all living organisms and their interactions with other realms. Encompasses diverse ecosystems like forests, grasslands, deserts, and aquatic systems. Processes: energy flow and nutrient cycling sustain ecosystems. Interconnections among realms. Hydrosphere and atmosphere, ocean currents and wind systems regulate weather and climate. Lithosphere and biosphere, soil provides nutrients for plants, which in turn support animal life. Atmosphere and biosphere, oxygen and carbon dioxide exchanges sustain life processes like respiration and photosynthesis. Lithosphere and hydrosphere, river systems erode land and deposit sediments, shaping landforms. Importance: maintaining the balance among these realms is crucial for sustainability. Human activities such as deforestation, pollution, and resource exploitation disrupt these realms, leading to global challenges like climate change and biodiversity loss. These realms together form the dynamic Earth system that sustains life and drives natural processes. Thanks for watching.